Alright, I am out here with Ricky's brother's classic Camaro. I don't really know anything about cars or car photography or videography. It seemed like a good opportunity to try something completely new. So I'm going to take the Nikon Z8 on the gimbal, so the Ronin RS3. And I'm going to do a few just little shots. I'm going to let this play out so you guys can see what I'm doing and kind of put those together into a little promo video thing. And then hopefully you've seen that already at the beginning of this. We've got some nice sunset lighting, and for a first go with car photography and videography, let's just see what happens. All right, I've got the ND filter on here so that I can be all the way down at 1.4. There we go, let's go. Video a lot more, but I'm losing the light and I really wanted to get some still shots, so I'm actually just going to shoot with the 35 still on here for right now. I have the 50 and the 24-70 with me, but I'm going to start with this and see if I can just pop off a few shots before we lose this light, and then if I have extra time I'm going to go back and do some wider and closer up shots. Nice sunlight out there. Getting high because I want to see the road behind. I gotta move you guys. I am shooting at 2.8, losing the sun really fast. I'm a little worried now everything's gonna be in focus. So we'll just see. Try to get some shots from behind. Y'all are just pointing off into who knows where. Of course now the dang backpack's in it. Look at that light though. Move y'all back over here for a few more detail shots, and then I think we'll call it because the sun's pretty much gone at this point. Alright, brief recap. The sun didn't go down as fast as I thought it would, so I probably had a little more time to do some video. I was kind of cramped where I was. You can see there's like a ditch on either side of the road, and then I probably could have used a light, like even a little handheld light on the inside to get some of the interior shots. And then picture-wise, I think I got pretty much exactly what I was wanting. So I wanted sort of some moodiness to it, and even in camera they look really good. So I'm excited to get in there and do some editing to them, and I think they're gonna just look exactly like what I was hoping they would. You hate working with me?
No, baby. It's always fun.
Did you like driving for me?
Of course. Did you see that car?